Hi guys, welcome to another video. I am currently in my car and I'm gonna be unboxing some stuff. And it is my birthday today. So yeah. I'm gonna try to open it. So yeah. I really wanna get blue. Wait. Oh my god. It's blue, guys! Ah! It's blue. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do the other one, and yeah. I'm trying to open the other one. I kind of really do want pink. Or, like, pick a purple. Ah! Oh, no, wait. I actually predicted it. I love these. So, yeah. I'll be making a second video, like, unboxing, kind of, I don't know. Yeah, it's adorable. It's like dumplings. I love them. And I am currently in Kila. This came from